Hi James.
Hello.
You're about to make a quick thing.
Well, I don't know about a quick thing, but yeah, we've got a hydraulic reservoir pipe which is broken and worn out, and I haven't got one here the right size, but there's nothing fancy about it, so we'll just make a new one.
Cool.
It's easy.
Lovely. Where'd you start?
With some hell hose.
Ooh.
Start with a hell hose and we'll start with that. Only get a pair of pliers in a minute now. My blade. Someone's stolen my blade. Oh, blade thief has been about.
The blade thief?
Yeah.
Is it him?
I don't know. They just get stolen. Someone sees that show this and they just take it. Bring it here. Another blade. See, my blade's been stolen.
There you go.
Thank you, darling. You'll cut your hand if you slip with this. Lucky enough, I've done it once before. Have I got the right pieces to do it? Let's make a thing. Might not happen, bunch. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. You won't bother cutting it.
Oh, it popped off.
It's alright. Got another one then.
Okay, so you're just popping a collar on, or whatever it's
And
called.
there's your banjo.
There's your banjee.
So that banjo has to go in that bit of hard plastic in there.
Okie dokie.
So let me get just something to open it out. It's weird working with someone else's tools.
Hmm.
That's in there.
There she is. Ooh, what's this?
This is a thingy-doober.
Oh, a thingy-jiggy.
Yeah, it's a doober, what's it?
Does it give it a nice squish to make it all tight?
Yeah. What it should do.
So we're just fitting your... I've just made a bit onto that then, James? As we can see?
Yeah. It's only to get us out of trouble because we haven't got another one in stock the right length.
Mm-hmm.
It's a non-genuine Öhlins item, but you know, what do? Customer wants his bike, gets that problem, we'll organise this, and then we'll get an original OEM Öhlins one in later.
Exactly, yeah.
In the meantime, you can go around using his bike.
And is it, what is that, what does that actual...
That's for the hydraulic or the remote reservoir.
Ah. So this is a very, very brief episode of James Makes a Thing, but you made a thing nonetheless.
I make a lot of things.
Oh, I know. We've got some, gonna have some good ones coming up.
Generally make a lot of mess, as I've done here.
You have a tidying Darren.
Yeah, I do have a tidying Darren. I think he's redundant at the moment though. We've got an issue here now, see? I'm going to change the banjo bolts as well.
Ah, okay. Right, explain what you just did there, James.
Just made the relief on the shoulder a little bit more so I can get that banjo bolt to do it tight.
Ah, lovely.
That's all. It didn't have to be 100% accurate and just... It's a quick fix.
Yep. Man wants his bike.
He wants his bike. Weather's nice, wants to go out on his bike. And we can do it.
Can't say I blame him, quite frankly.
James?
That sound, oof. Yeah, that kind of little grunt tells me that sorted it.
But this is the reason why we had to do this little repair.
Because that fractured.
Yeah.
Just such a funny thing, and that obviously caused it to leak.
Leak. That was it.
Yeah. There you go.
Now how can you foresee a fracture like that taking place on an item like that, which fractured internally?
Well, you can't predict that, can you?
No. You can see when the water and muck's got inside and it's just exploded it. So, right, that's in there, that's that done there. Let's vacuum it and do it.
So you have to vacuum out the inside of the shock again?
Yeah.
Andriani by Olins. Or is it Olins by Andriani?
And then some sort of bed wetting. Just clear up my mess now that I made.
That's right, there's nothing wrong with making a little mess.
Well, I didn't anticipate the young master coming round and
Yeah, and squeezing you out of the way.
yeah, ejaculating me out of the way.
Isn't that what all sons do to their fathers eventually?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that's to say the piston's just come up.
The free piston. I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do this.
You're gonna undigger it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take all the fluid out of it. There she goes.
There she goes.
And this item is moving up and down in that shock absorber all the time you're riding it. That's why it's ever so important to have this serviced by a proper Olin service centre so they know the wear condition, updates, changes, blah 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 blah.
Yes, it is. And then when you redo that, it will pop back up again.
Pop back up and then I can set the free piston height.
Sweet.
Boom.
Morning glory. Ta-da!
Ta-da. Now I'm not going to get too involved in doing this to the book or anything because this is only a temporary repair.
Yeah.
So we're now full up with oil.
Yeah.
Right. I have to set the free piston now. There's one we did earlier.
Okay.
And that's only going to be in there a week or so.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on then, brother. There we go. Right.
Done. Cap on the end.
I've got gas to get.
Oh, gas it, obviously, yeah.
Rid of this oil mess as well.
There's nothing wrong with a bit of mess, as we said before.
Well, self-inflicted, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of mess.
Going through. There he is. Messiest job in the world. Let's whack some gas in it and we're ready to go.
Happy days. Done?
Nearly.
Nearly.
We've got over 15 bar in there, which is a little bit too much.
Okay.
So let's come out. By the time we get this out of there, it'll be down to 12 bar.
Lovely.
Oh, I'll still wash it. Okay.
And the barbecue was ready.
Here, Dart.
What?
There's your shop. It's over, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah, mate.
Is it dry?
Yeah, no, you fucking me about then, mate, or what? Can you put this in, please?
And there we go. There's the little bit there for the James Makes. A very short, very cool, very quick thing. Next time we'll do something a little bit more substantial, won't we?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, James.
Thank you, James.
Off he goes.